by the end of this section, we should be able to create fixed horizontal navigation bar. So let's get started. .nav. Inside it, we're going to be having URL, li. Inside li, we have this anchor tag. I'll give it home. I'll simply duplicate this. I'll change this to about. Let's refresh the page. So we have this. Let's head on to the style. So I use internal style sheets. Coming here, we have style. Let's remove the default margin and padding. So removing the default margin and padding, we use universal selector. Margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box. Next thing we are going to do now is let's target the nav. This nav, we name it box shadow. Box shadow 0 pixels, 2 pixels, 20 pixels, RGBA 0,0 4. So we're going to be having box shadow. What's wrong? It should come out. Okay, I use box sizing. Box shadow, please. Box shadow. So it's out. Next thing I'm going to do now is let's target the URL. So targeting the URL, we're going to remove the list marker. So URL, list type tab. Now let me remove this margin so you see what I want to do now. So margin commented. So I want to remove this list marker we have here. So we're going to do it here. List type none is gone. Now I will comment this margin and padding back. Commenting this back, we have this. Now targeting li. Let's give it display inline. Display inline. Let's give it padding. Padding of 10 pixels. Now on navigation bar, let's give it text align. Center. It's at the middle now. Then we're going to give it padding too. Padding 20 pixels. Coming back to li, let's give li margin. Margin left 10 pixels. We need to remove this background color. This underline, not background color. So we target A. So A, we are going to use text decoration none. Then let's change the color. Okay, so this is the color we are using. Next thing I'm going to do now is coming back here. I'll add random text after this div here. So I'll just say div. Inside it, I'm going to add lorem, say 2000. Lorem is used for generating random text. Now we can scroll. You see, the navigation bar is not fixed. We want it to be fixed. When we are scrolling, it should be fixed. On this place, on this nav, we're going to give it position fixed. We have this. This is what we have now. Then next we're going to give it left 0, top 0, right? This is what we have. Then we are going to give it width 100%. Good. Then background color white. This is what I have now. Now I want to show you something. Let me put this background color first here so that I can easily visualize other ones. Now when I said fix, position fixed, this was what I had. Position fixed. Without this, I had this, right? So in case you explain this kind of thing, you say position fixed, you need to give it left, top. Now if I say left and top without width, this is what we are going to have. Now if I say width 100%, we have this. So that is it for fixed navigation bar. Now I can scroll and navigation bar is fixed. If you look closely, you see that the contents are under this nav bar. I'll comment this width. You see the contents are under, so we don't want the content to be under. So what we're going to do now is I'll uncomment on the div after this navbar, this new div where these contents are. You just give it a class, say section. Under section, I'm going to give it margin top. So dot section margin top, say 60 pixels. Okay, you see it came down. Let's make it 70 pixels. 70 pixels. So this is what we have. So depending on how you want it to be, you can push it down more. Now on this anchor tag, let's give it hovering effect. So on hover, you want the background color to change. So background color should be black on hover. Let's give it padding. On this div, on anchor tag, I'll add padding 10 pixels. So on hover, let's give it transition so it happens smoothly. So transition 0.5 seconds. Lastly, I want to give class active on home. So on home, you're gonna have active class active. So I'll target active below. So we're gonna have URLi a dot active. Background color should be black. Color white. So this is what we have. Now let's make this something like this. Okay, right? So this is for active. You can try out this. So you'll be able to make fixed navigation bar.